a guide you to open YouTube audio library on Android. Let's say if you need to open your audio library for the YouTube and on the Android, now we are in the Android, you can tap on the Chrome and you can go to any of the web browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm going to the Chrome here. Now you need to search for YouTube Studio, or otherwise you can go to the youtube.com. So I'm going to the YouTube Studio here. And from there, just tap on the YouTube Studio like this. And it will take you to the page which you could access the YouTube Studio of your channel. And there you need to tap on top three lines and make sure you are on the desktop side for this. After that, you need to zoom in like this. And from there, you can tap on top three lines here to maximize these options. From here, you could see the very last option is that audio library. Just tap on that and it will give you the list of songs or otherwise recommended songs for the YouTube here like this. And now if you need to download any of the songs, you can just tap on that and you can scroll down to find the download, which is here. And just say you can tap on download like this. And you could see that file has been downloaded and you can open it anywhere which is over the apps. This is how you open YouTube audio library on Android. Thank you.